just have a look. That Omeka, very very bright lights is just coming down again. That just above the mountain, and just have a look. That's very very bright, and that's a big 1 kilometer large UFO just in the above the volcano. And when they coming down, have a look. This one is just go back again. It didn't just it was hovering above the volcano, and you can see it's still dark, and they just in the coming down, and now it's go back again. And just they hovering in the over that Popocatapetl volcano. That's a camera Omeka. And I went back to the city now to filming a city, and you can see still there in the intense lights. That's a very very big lights over in the Omeka. And just I went to the have a look what I captured them when I went to the city. And here you can see that when I went to the city, to the camera, it's Mexico Oeste. And just have a look. That another side that you can see on the back side that the Popocatapetl volcano is. How big lights it was this one. That's a huge, very very big UFO, and you can see on the above on the left side, on the top section, top left, there's another UFO there. And have a look this one. I was thinking about it, the moon, but it wasn't the moon because I just filmed them, and another side of that to the mountain when that big UFO just came down. And have a look now. They just in there coming down, and have a look up that when I zoom on it. Sorry, it got. Now Mexico Sur has got exactly same large, That was visible. That's a. And have a look now. Here in the how big is it? And look at in the size, and look at in the color. Everything, and just coming down slowly, and now it's not a sphere one like a diamond shape. And that light, it was which one? It's and just came down that just behind the mountain or above the mountain, and that's unbelievable. And that large UFO, that's a 1 kilometer side UFO. Over the Popocatapetl volcano. Now it's that the outskirt of the city to the Mexico Oeste. And that was amazing. And you can see, guys, it's slowly moving down. I didn't change the camera, just I zoom out a little bit, and you can see how they're moving down, and slowly it's just going to be vanished, disappearing. And you can see I didn't move the camera, just I did in the frame by frame. And you can see how they're coming down lower behind the mountain. And now it's in the front of a mountain, that's another side of the mountain, because that's behind this outskirts of city, that's a Popocatapetl volcano, what I filmed them before, the Omeka. And you can see, guys, here are they moving down. Look at now. That's here are they fading. Amazing. And just I'm going to rewind them, and you can see here are they just moving out slowly. Another UFO there, and they're going to shrink, and they disappeared like that. When I in the first and rewind them, you can see them. Here they disappearing and appearing. That was then the real movement. Look now. When I move the camera out, and you can see how they're moving. And just shrinking, just shrunk and disappeared slowly. Now you can see just disappeared very, very slowly. Thank you guys to watch a video, and now just I was curious, maybe it's visible another side of the city or something. That's why I turn off the camera and switch straight away. I went to the Mexico City, and I check it out, and the two cameras they show up in that 1 kilometer large UFO over that volcano and outskirt of the Mexico City. Thank you guys to watch the video, and thank you to support my channel.